So this last question here is a related rate problem. So we have the volume right circular cylinder, radius 5 is given by this volume expression. Okay, so looks like it's got a radius of radius 5, so pi r squared times height. The rate at the cylinder, the rate that the cylinder drains is the volume change in volume or change in time is negative root h over 2. Okay, so there's our derivative in terms of time, but we have this variable in terms of height. So we need to relate height to time. So what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate this expression implicitly to generate another expression for dv by dt. So using our related rates, I'm going to go dv by dt is equal to, well, the derivative of this function is a linear function. Okay, but h is an embedded function of time, so we're going to then do dh by dt, okay, using chain rule and treating h as an embedded function. So there's our another expression. Now the nice thing about this is now we have our derivative, our dh here, and we got an h variable here. So what we can do is set up a separable differential equation, because we can say that both of those expressions are equal to dv by dt. Well, if they're both equal to dv by dt, we can make them equal to each other. So if I can say that 25 pi times dh by dt is equal to negative square root h over 2. Now this is a differential equation, and it's a separable differential equation because I can put my h with my dh, and I can put the t on the other side, and I can actually solve for this differential equation as height as a function of time. Okay, so notice that we have our height and time variables here. So I'm going to separate. Okay, so this is going to end up being dh over root h is equal to negative 1 over, looks like 50 pi. So I separated my variables. I need to make sure the dt goes on the other side. And now I can integrate both sides of this. So this becomes h to the 1/2 over 1/2. This is a linear function. So I end up with this plus c. Okay, just cleaning this up a bit, this becomes 2 root h. I've got this is an implicit function. Okay, so negative t over 50 pi plus c. So it's an implicit function, although I can solve for h fairly easily.